welcome. I am SnowCatCuties and this is Snow's cooking show. Today I'm making chocolate fudge. For this you're going to need 1 can of condensed milk, 400 grams of whatever chocolate you might like. I've gone for milk chocolate. You can get a little bit of extra something just to decorate with, so it's going to go on top. First thing you need to do is break up your chocolate. I find it's easy to do while it's still in the bag or in your packet, and that way you can keep it all nice and together. Once your chocolate is broken, you need to put it into a bowl. And this chocolate we are then going to melt. So make sure your bowl is either microwave safe, if you want to do it in the microwave, or make sure you can put it onto a hob. Make sure it's glass then. Once you have all your chocolate, it's now time to either melt it on a pan, or you put some boiling water under it, let it melt, or put it in the microwave, make it nice and quick. Just get your can of condensed milk, open it up, pour it in. Look at that. With your condensed milk now in with your chocolate, it's time to get it melted. Now we've got condensed milk in there. Give it a big stir, make sure that our chocolate is covered in condensed milk, because microwaving chocolate isn't always the best thing for it. But adding the condensed milk protects it a little bit. So that's all now covered. Time to put it in the microwave. No, you don't want to put it on for too long. Just give it a minute, let it start to melt. Once it's finished, take it out. Give this a quick stir. As you start to stir it, you can start to see it has melted a bit. It will start to combine the condensed milk. Now, probably do with a little bit longer in there. Before I do that, I'm going to get my baking tray ready. Get some grease-proof paper or baking paper. You can also use foil if you really want, or cling film. When you got some baking paper, it's not fitting in how you want it to. Keep popping out. Just take your paper, screw it up into a little ball, like that. And then you open it back out again. You're going to put it in more lightly and stay in. And less likely to jump back out of its mould. with our chocolate fudge. It melted quite nicely. Mine actually need time in the microwave actually. This is now ready to go into our mould. So the mould I'm using is a simple brownie tin. And you just put it in there. In it goes. So, once you've got it into your pan, you start to spread it out. When you do it this way, it does start to harden quite quickly. But it will also mean you can make it nice and pretty if you want to on top as well. Use different tactics. I'm just kind of pressing it down, but you can try making different patterns into your fudge by using various tools if you really want. So, it's up to you. At the end of the day, you gotta remember you're gonna be cutting this up to different sizes. Now, I said we're gonna decorate it. Not gonna do much. I'm just gonna put some white chocolate drops on top. Nothing too fancy. But you can put what you like in here. You can put Oreos in here, you can put fruits and nuts in here, put some marshmallows in here. You can do all sorts of things with this. Give it a press in so it goes actually into the fudge, otherwise you're going to be cutting it up and all that chocolate fudge, all these chocolate drops are going to fall out. So, this needs to go in the fridge overnight. In you go. That will stay in there overnight. So that is how you make chocolate fudge. All you have to do is, when you're ready to eat it, take it out of the fridge, cut it into little pieces, and then you have yourself some nice little fudge. That's it. And that is making chocolate fudge with SnowCatCuties. Make sure to give me a like, subscribe, follow, and all those sort of things. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!